Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have new releases to share with you. I'm gonna get this done pretty quick because it is so windy outside and the tree outside of my office window just keeps banging against the window and making a ton of noise. So if you hear any banging, that is probably what it is. But I'm gonna start off, we have 3 collections for you this week, and I'll start off with the collection that you've probably seen already, and it is our baby collection. I posted a plan with me using this collection yesterday, or no, Tuesday. So definitely go take a look at that. That's on my channel right now if you haven't seen it already. But this is our pregnancy announcement kit, and you can use it as like a baby is born kit or whatever you want really, but I'm using it as a pregnancy announcement just because I couldn't find a pregnancy announcement kit. I found everybody had like new baby kits and stuff like that, but nobody had a pregnancy announcement kit, so I decided to draw one. So first of all, this is the No White Space kit, and you have the glitter headers with this. Then you also have the full boxes, which are so cute, the functional page, the ombre heart check, or the full box checklists, headers and little things, boxes and date covers, and washi. And then you also have the White Space kit, which does not come with glitter headers included, but you can buy them a la carte. So you have the same full boxes sheet, the same functional sheet. Then this is the washi sheet with the sidebar stuff and some boxes. And then you have this sheet, which is basically the same as our other half boxes sheet, but you have the headers and some washi there. Sorry if you can hear that wind. And then last but not least, for the baby collection, you do have the mini kit, which is just a 2-page kit that is sized to fit either the Erin Condren horizontal or inserts or anything like that. So you have the full boxes with like a sidebar, some headers and more sidebars. And then you have the functional sheet, which is basically the same as both of our other kits. So that is the baby collection. And like I said, that's available in the shop tomorrow at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Next up, we have our photo kit for this month. Oh my gosh, that is so loud, you guys. I just can't even believe it. We have our photo kit for this month, and I decided to do a beach ocean style photo kit, but I wanted to do one that like I only used one color because I never do kits where I only really have shades of the same color in it. So I wanted to give it a try. So this is Amy, and we do one photo collection a month, and luckily this one is actually available in all of our sheet formats. Or kit format, sorry, the No White Space, White Space, and Mini. So the No White Space collection, like I've mentioned, is the only collection that comes with glitter headers, and this is what they look like. Then you have the full boxes, functional, headers and littles, full box checklists, the boxes, sidebars, and date covers. And then you have the washi page. So that is the No White Space kit. And then you also have the White Space kit, which has the same full boxes, the same functional, and then the different washi sheet and the different half boxes sheet. Can't pull it up. I need to get my nails done. And then last but not least, you have the mini kit that is the wrong way around. So you have the full boxes page and the functional page. So that is Amy, and like I said, that is our one photo collection for this month. We always release photo collections on the second Friday of every month. And last but not least, we have our last collection that is Paige, and I love and adore this kit. I think I'm going to use this next week, and I'm really excited about it. But this is Paige. It's very garden party inspired, florals, hot air balloons, some candy or some sweets, and a drink. And the quote is, "Life is like a balloon. If you never let yourself go, you'll never know how far you can rise." And then these are the glitter headers for that kit, and it has this gorgeous like shiplap white wood in the background. Then you have the functional page, full box checklists, headers and little things, half boxes, sidebars, and date covers. and then the washi page, and this is upside down, so the idea is like the flowers would go at either side of your spread. So that is the No White Space collection. And then for the White Space collection, it comes with the same full boxes, the same functional page, then the washi page, and the half boxes page. And then for the mini kit, you have the full boxes page and the functional page. So that is page. I said page so much in this video. I just realized that. But that is our page collection, and that is all of our collections for this week. Like I said, I am so excited about them. A lot of you guys have been dying over the baby collection since I've posted it on Instagram, and I understand. I'm dying over it too. So let me know in the comments below what you'll be picking up. Like I said, these new releases go live on the website tomorrow, Friday the 13th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will also be running double points on the website all weekend long, so definitely go take a look at that. You can get some really great savings when you collect points on our website, and all of that is listed on our website. So again, sorry for the very windy background noise, but I was kind of stuck with what I could work with here today, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!